Welcome back to my channel. My name is QT Sherry if this is your first time here. So I am back with another wig review, and it's from Amazon, and it's from this company, and this is a hair that I'm rocking right now. This is so pretty. So if you guys want to see how I install this unit, stay tuned. Okay, so like I said, we're gonna just open the package and see what's inside. So we have the unit in the bag and a stocking cap. So this is their so this is a 13x6 fake scalp wig. So this is the fake scalp right here. It's only attached to the front part of the lace, and basically the whole purpose of this is so that you don't have to do the ball cap method. Already pre-plucked, and the knots will already bleach for you, so it actually did save you a couple of steps. The only thing is that they did say 13x6, but it's 13x6 in the middle, not on the sides. Let me show it to you. Okay, because then you start to see tracks from right here. So this is it. So it comes with the brush strap, and it has the elastic straps at the back, and it comes with 4 combs. So we're going to try this unit on. So it's more like a body wave texture. So I got this unit in 14 inches. I think it goes all the way up to 26 or 28, but I opted out for a 14. So right now I only have my hair in a ponytail, because right now I honestly do not feel like combing my hair, so, or doing any cornrows, so I just keep my hair in a ponytail. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put on the stocking cap. Okay, so I know I said that I wasn't gonna do any cornrows or anything like that, but now that I put on a stocking cap, I failed to realize that the back was so puffy. But we're gonna leave it and see if it works. I hope you guys should show it again. So this is the fake scalp right here. So we're gonna go ahead and try on this unit, but before I try on this unit, I'm just gonna cut off the excess lace in the back. So this was a moment that I regret leaving my hair in a ponytail and not doing cornrows, because it was a little difficult to get my lace to fit the way that I wanted it to sit. So we're gonna just go ahead and try to make it work and pray and hope for the best, and like they always say, trust the process. You guys see this? Like, this is looking awesome. I'm gonna have to like pull back my stocking cap a bit, because like honestly I think I'm gonna install this like without baby hairs. I honestly don't feel like I need any. But it is so pretty. haven't done anything to this unit. All I did was take it out the box and tried it on, and everything was done for you. It was already pre-plucked. I'm gonna come close so you guys can see. And then you have the fake scalp, so I didn't have to do like the ball cut method or anything like that. Yeah, she's cute. So what I'll do right now is I'll go ahead and move the hair from my face, and then go and install the unit. So I'm gonna go and clean off some makeup, like to the front of my forehead, before I install this unit. I mean, this unit is already pretty and I haven't even installed it yet. Like, I'm gonna go in with the Ebon lace, and I'm gonna use that to lay my hair down. So I've installed many units on my channel before, so I'm just gonna go ahead and speed this part up.
Oh, where have I been? Stupid silence. You've been standing right there all along, even though it's been unspoken so long. I'm only waiting for you, just waiting for you to give it enough. You know I'm begging for you, just waiting for you to show me your love. Cause I wanna be certain we don't need to be lonely, we don't have to be hurting. Cause I'm feeling like you and I are perfect. I don't wanna be sorry, I don't wanna think every night about how we
should have let this glue dry some more, but I'll just clean it up at the end.
I just wanna be certain, I don't wanna waste all our time wondering if we're right. I've been waiting for a sign, wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign, I don't want you going away. I've been waiting for a sign, wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign.
So while I was on Amazon shopping for a new unit, I always look at the reviews, and for this wig it had both bad and good reviews, but I took a chance and I am so happy I did, because I am in love with this unit.
For you to give it enough, no, I'm begging for you, just waiting for you to show me.
So this is day one of installing this unit, so I can't give you like a complete overview, but what I could say is that this hair is completely soft and I haven't experienced any tangling or shedding so far.
I don't wanna think every night about how we've been so blind. So upset, I've waited till it's too late. No rest for lovers who are
I was so impatient while installing this unit, and I did not wait for the glue to turn clear before I install the unit, so that's why I'm doing all this extra work right now to clean up all the glue from the lace.
I don't want you going away. I've been waiting for a sign, wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign. Don't you feel the same?
Lay down my hair using the Avon lace, the Avon Wonder lace. I honestly don't think I want any baby hairs with this unit. Like because I honestly don't think I'm gonna do baby hairs.
I'll be certain, I don't wanna waste all our time, wondering if we're right, waiting for a sign.
This elastic band real quick, and I'll keep this on for about 15 minutes and then I'll be right back.
Don't you, yeah.
Okay, so now I'm just going in with the alcohol swab and I'm trying to go ahead and clean up the lace. So I'm gonna go in with my wax stick and try to like get this, ooh, get this to lay down. I do apologize for all the background noise. Oh my god, it is so annoying.
You stalk like I'm a piece of meat. You're trying out and showing off. So flashy, don't do jack for me. You're such a troll, out of control. I wish I could just hit delete. Why you gotta ruin this for us? Spoil the fun, just be done. I have seen enough to call your bluff. Oh, didn't come here for you. Dude, you're killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Just stay out of my sight. Get out of my way. Didn't come here for you. Dude, you're killing the mood. Oh, you.
Right now I am just going in with my hot comb to try to get my hair to lay as flat as possible.
Should not be hard to understand. Don't wanna be bothered by a man. No need to flex, boy, don't be vexed.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my makeup brush and use the remaining foundation that was left on the brush and just try to blend out the edges of the lace. Remember earlier when I said I am not going to do any baby hairs because I don't think this unit needs it? Well, look who is doing baby hairs now. Oh.
You've gotta ruin this for us. Spoil the fun, just be done. I have seen enough to call your bluff. Oh, didn't come here for you. Dude, you're killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Just get out of my sight. Get out of my way. Didn't come here for you. Dude, you're killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Out of my sight. Get out of my sight. I have had enough of your loud parade.
Like on a reel, if I didn't mention this hair was from Amazon, you guys would not have believed me. Like, this hair is so pretty. It is so soft, and just look at me run my hands through the curls. Like, you don't see any tangling or any shedding. So now I am going to apply some hair oil to the hair. I mean, this hair in itself is not dry, but I'm just going to go ahead and just add a little more shine. I am going to turn around so you guys can see the back of the unit. Remember I said I regret leaving my hair in a ponytail, so I'm fixing right there because I could see that's where the ponytail is so that it doesn't look as high and bumpy. So I'm actually going to go back and purchase this in the longer length. I think they have it in like 26 to 28 inches. So I'm gonna go back and purchase that. Like I said, I got this in 14 inches. I am loving this unit. So Hey guys, so this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think. So I got this unit from this company right here. Everything will be listed down below in the description bar if you guys do want to hit them up. Like, this hair is completely soft and it is so pretty. I do recommend 100%. So this is my first day installing this unit. I might come back and do a second review, let you guys know how it holds up after 2 weeks or a month. But so far I am loving this unit, and I just want to thank you guys so much for rocking with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.